Good afternoon. It is September the 13th, 2016, and time to wrap up our trading in the E-mini for today. Hey, the E-mini might have come back. The summer trading was pretty bad in the E-mini, but we've got volatility. The Fed's actually let the market sell for 3 or 4 days, if you can imagine that. And that helps, having a two-sided market. It increases the uncertainty. It forces people to move. You just can't buy and hold with impunity right now. And that actually helps the trading. We only count 3 points on our winners. We don't really push it, but there were some really big trades today. 12 points, 8 points, 6 points, 6 points, 5 points, 8 points, 7 points. They were all over the map, so it was possible to make more than 3 points on a trade. First trade that set up was a mean green trade, good for 12 if you traded it perfectly. A monkey trade, good for 1 to 3 if you traded it perfectly. Any one of those would have produced some money. Love this trade right here, this little double top. That was good for 8 points if you traded it perfectly. This monkey trade was good for 3. Now here we have a head and shoulders pattern. That's one of our strongest patterns. This monkey trade also was coincident with it. That was good for 4 if you traded it perfectly. Not a perfect setup for us, but that was a trade that could have been taken too. Right here, this S gave you 6 if you traded it perfectly. V bottom, you know, in hindsight, you like to catch those. Here's a V top. In hindsight, you like to catch that, but we caught this B right here, a monkey trade for 6 points. Followed with another monkey trade, good for 5 points. Beautiful little retest failure trade right there, good for 3. Market comes back up, another retest failure trade, good for 6 if you traded it perfectly. This retest failure trade was good for 8 if you traded it perfectly. A mean green trade was good for 7 if you traded it perfectly. And that was it for the day. 12 trades possible, 0 losers. That's very unusual. We usually have 1 to 2. Only taking 3 points on our winners. We had 36 points today. There was more there for you if you traded it that way. Hey, we're going to offer new subscribers, new visitors, a 5-day free trial in our main room where we trade crude, gold, the euro, 30-year bond, 10-year note, and the E-mini. In those 5 free days, you'll get to see me, the methodology, and the software work live, real time, and get the answers you need to know whether our services are right for you or not. Looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer.